We're from ISEC. It's a solutions development company focused basically on financial services. It's a startup. It's about 3 years old.
ProWork is a project management and collaboration solution for business. We've been working together since 2009, and we started building ProWork in 2011, September, and we went to market in June last year, so we actually started selling last year.
African Hire Computers Limited, we are a software development company. We are not a big company as it were, we're just starting up, but what drives us is Africans building solutions for Africans. We're not trying to bring one solution from US or try to clone one solution from Italy. We want to look at our environment. We want to look what do we think is needed here and be able to provide a solution to solve the problem, African problems.
Techlaunchpad Technologies is a young tech firm. We established in January 2010. Actually set up a technology firm, especially in the northern part of the country, since we don't have a lot of technology firms over there. A friend in CPS, and they sent me a link, the link, Techlaunchpad, and this is something that an IT firm thinks we should be interested in.
So one of our colleagues from Accenture informed us about it.
I stumbled on some write-up on some blog, and I went to the web.
I saw it online, and also I think BBM broadcast as well.
More publicity, so more people will be aware. When I'm speaking as somebody who actually had to fly down all the way from the north. If we didn't have a friend, someone who told us, we wouldn't have known what's happening.
There might be other folks out there who have great solutions and they didn't get to hear about it. But I never saw that, but I'm on the internet every day. So maybe we can improve on that a little bit, and then maybe a bit of timeliness as well.
So far it's been transparent, which in Nigeria everybody believes you have to know someone to do something, you have to press some buttons. The fact that we didn't press any button shows a high level of transparency, and if this can be continued, I mean, with time you see more people will embrace it. Some people out there probably would hold back saying, oh, you have to know someone. It's the Federal Ministry of
the Nigerian factor.
The Nigerian factor. I mean, there was no Nigerian factor here. This was.
We were not maybe given, I won't say enough time, but I think we had some more to say, and maybe we were not able to, we were not given a chance to say that. But so far so good.
You see, I think there are other solutions for other sectors that, and I think they should also extend it, to those.
The application we presented there is called EPOM. It's a back office management software for filling station operators. It manages their entire processes, right from the way they sell, the way they buy, from their inventory management, what they have, how they sold. It provides analytical data, giving them insight into what is working for them. Basically, it can be used by dealer-owned operated business or company-owned, whichever model they are operating. It also allows a central point of management.
That we've created a mobile-first enterprise class solution for project management and collaboration. So we brought together project management and collaboration on one platform, and we've put it on mobile, for business. So in other words, we've made project management mobile, we've made it real time, we've made it also easy to use for businesses. We can compete globally, and we even think with the technology incubation program, we should be able to even surpass global competition. So our enterprise plan of ProWork allows organizations to have ProWork inside their own corporate network. We have built a very scalable solution, so regardless of the size of the organization, it can fit the organizational structure.
I do a transaction with my card on an ATM or online transaction, and I get an SMS notification after the transaction is done, after money is in my account, and it's called an alert. We said to ourselves, is this really an alert? this should be called a notification because it's notifying me after, more like a receipt. And we embarked on the journey to create an alert system that informs customers before money leaves their account and enables them to approve the transaction or decline the transaction or even report fraud.
In real time.
Real time.
Hashworks is a application we were shortlisted for. It's a supporting product for our primary product that we are selling to the government, that is Remit. Remit is an integrated tax administration solution, and based on our clients, we decided that Hashworks was necessary to also improve and basically just to meet to our clients' response and needs. Hashworks was there to just fill the gap which we observed in the market. We thought that it was something that is an idea that will fit what Techlaunchpad is.
We were actually shortlisted for an app called Carbon Accounting, which it is an application that every producer, in fact every ERP company should have. Then the other one that is just like that is the one we call TIMS, Technical Information Management System. It is a way of archiving all your documents. For instance, any young company might start small, but at the end of the day, you discover that the group or the group of persons that started the company might just move away, but the company will remain there. So the archiving system is very, very necessary. This application monitors the file assessment. Whoever accesses the file, when and what did he actually do to the file is always recorded.
You will see great impacts in terms of IGR being realized. And IGR is not being realized because the government is increasing taxation on the citizens. No. IGR being realized because the solution is bringing transparency and efficiency into a system that already exists.
You cannot provide a solution if you don't understand the problem. A lot of data that we could easily have gotten over the internet for the Nigerian market is not really there. For instance, when we were putting statistics there, we were putting statistics of 2006. This is 2013.
For a small company like us, one challenge there has been the thing of funding. Okay, so getting access to funding to really grow this startup into a successful company has been challenging. Acceptability, yeah, you find local solutions. People are not very ready to accept local solutions developed by Nigeria.
First is just for government to adopt it and for us to commercialize it. Because the banking sector, once banks are comfortable with certain application or solution technology-wise, they find it very hard to shift to something new. So we find it hard to convince them. That's why we're trying to talk to certain banks and convince them that this is something that the time has come and something that we are ready for. We should look at.
Before you solve a problem, you should actually understand the problem. And there is no way you can understand the problem when you are not in the environment of that problem. So when you approach some of the companies, our marginal operators, to get some key information to help you develop it, of course, if you don't know anybody, the trouble starts from the gate. So you can't even have access to the right person who will understand what you mean.
I think it was fair. As a company, we only filled the form online, and that was it. So for us to have been selected, we didn't call anybody to try to lobby or anything. It was fair.
It's very transparent, fair, and there is no.
Look at all the applications, do a thorough screening, and to know that we are here at this point now among the final 20. It's privilege and it's also.
Wow, that would mean I'll be able to help 10,171 people solve their daily business needs. I'll be able to put a solution that works, that really works, into their hands. And for me too, let's talk about for us as a company, it will be of economic value to us. We'll be selling solutions.
It will be a validation for products. Then it will be a booster for us personally as a company.
Despite all the challenges we have faced, how small we are, the micro resources that we try to manage, we are doing something that can leave a dent in the society. You can,
because once you're providing a service and there's a need for that service, the money will come. So I think developers should start looking at that money. You want to be the next Mark Zuckerberg, but just provide a service first of all, and everything will fall in place.
So just tell all developers to keep learning, and there's opportunity for all the developers right now in Nigeria. Any developer right now in Nigeria should just keep at it and push it either app into the world.
What problems are there and what problems need solving, and build solutions, use technology to deliver those solutions.
So let's everybody just buckle up and do better. No matter what happens, the passion is the passion.
My advice is that they should try and do next time, because the future of Nigeria actually lies with young minds.